You got good candidates today after a lot of hard work.
Yes, actually, I really appreciate your effort and providing this kind of quality candidate.
But now Mr. Sabas will take care. Whenever we will do interview in Pakistan, he will do hard work.
Mr. G, we have gone through from the screening of 100 of candidates and shortlisted these candidates to fulfill your requirement. We have registered a license holder company in Pakistan, and we hope that we will continue in future too.
Yes, actually most of the CV have a Toyota experience and dealership experience.
Yeah.
So that's a very important for us. So every time we scan the CV, we always look for that any dealership, either Honda, Nissan, or Mitsubishi. So it's very big advantage for us or for the technicians that they can join directly because they have already training in that particular area, and we are the same business related industry. So their skills are almost the same, so it will be easy for us.
Your remarks are precious for us, and we hope we will continue in future.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for this.
Thank you, Mr. Sabas. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Take care.
That's all.